Okay, we're going to turn off the PA regional zip code and change the base map to street base map, and we will go to streets and zooming to the lower left corner. So let's look at the lower left corner. Lower left, close to Cincinnati. Lower left, we will have to see, okay, corner of the Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, and then into Pittsburgh. And there is no problem if you cannot find the location indicated the following map. Any location will do for the sake of learning how to pick a point from a map for geocoding. So in the rematch address pane, which is right here, and I can just right click this. All right, and then from the pickup, click the pick from map button. We have to go to rematch, add a geocode feature class. Okay, so we will do data rematch address. Okay, there. So we will zoom in and just click one, select one, go to select, no, alright, select, okay, right here. So, pick from map, alright, so, and then I will pick from map. If I pick this one, alright, and then click the map approximately at the point directly by here, and then we will click match button. So this one could match, and if we click this one, can we match? Yep. Click the match button, the record is matched. If your map zoom out, zoom back in the location pick to see the point was matched on the map. And we will use the regional bookmark. Similarly, match the remaining unmatched record to any location in the Scranton area in eastern Pennsylvania. I can just highlight the point. So where's the point? Okay, I highlight it. Right click on zoom to. Oh, it didn't match it. Okay, so similar matched the remaining. This work we will just for practice. Okay, alright, so then I will do a little bit. Click here and then match 100% score, and then click again and match. So this is just rematching. Then we can save, add it, go to add it, and then click save. And then we will close the rematch address window and save the project. Okay, yes. But what about the point here? Oh, right, so this point. Okay, so now, let's say, zoom to layer. Zoom to. Okay. Yep. Hit enter. Okay. Alright, so if we know the place, then we can do the rematch, but I don't know this area that well. We could look it up in Google Map, and then you can rematch. That's a good choice, okay? And now we will symbolize using the collect events point. Now we have attendees survey data geocoded into zip code centroids generally, with many attendees as at center points to zip codes for symbolizing attendees. Next, we will count the number of attendees in each zip code and plot size graduated symbols, with symbol size increasing as the number of attendees increases. We could do the work manually in a couple of steps, but the CollectEvents tool will do the job in just one step. And we will turn this layer off. And we will change the base map to light gray canvas. So save first. And go back to map and light gray canvas and use the original bookmark. Go back to bookmark, original. And then search for and open the CollectEvents tool. Go to close this one, analysis, toolbox, okay, and then I will say is CollectEvents. Alright, it's a script tool. Then we click on it and we will select attendee for the inputs, okay, attendees and accident input incident features, and then leave the output the name as default value, and we will run the tool and we will close it after we finish, and then we will zoom into the south. Oh, failed. Let's see, attendees, attendees collector, okay, folders. Alright, so let's just put into GeoDatabase, okay. Okay. Alright, so we called it CollectEvents. Click Save. Click Run again. What is the issue? Says no attributes. Okay. Let's see. Zooming to the southeastern corner. CollectEvents tool. CollectEvents tool. Select attendees for input, incident feature, and leave the output. So let's just run it again. And see what was the issue. Okay. CollectEvents. Attendees. Okay, click Run again. Failed again. Has to do something with my Pi. Okay. We will save the project and I will look into it, okay? We have to zoom into when we're done, although we could change the symbology of the output better, portray the spatial distribution of attendees. CollectEvents has done the hard work for counting by zip code and applying size graduated symbols. So if the tool is not running, let's try Python. Insert. Just go back to map, view, Python, alright. So now I'm going to find the tool. Okay, CollectEvents, alright. ArcGIS Pro. Let's find the syntax, okay. Alright, syntax input. Alright, so I will have input ArcPy, input place, and then, okay. ArcPy status, copy count. Okay, so let's try using Python to run it. Alright. Yay. Alright, so okay, so that I have import ArcPy. Oh, here. Import ArcPy dot environment workspace equals to that. I have to get my data. Data. My path, I have to change it into everything here. Alright. Just bear with me. I'm trying. Okay. Alright. Okay, one more. And we have the path name that ArcPy dot collect events. Okay. Stats. Okay. That we will have is inside of our data. Where is our data? Let's see. Data. It should be maybe in geodatabase. Attendee. Let's try. Let me double check it. Okay. Maybe I have to rewrite it. Okay. Let's see. View. Okay. Catalog pane. Alright. So database. Okay. Attendees. That's the issue. I don't know where is attendees data. Oh. Okay, attendees shapefile, it's not in the geodatabase. Okay, it's in tutorial. Okay, so it's not here, it's in tutorial. Tutorial, if the workspace is tutorial and status, the first one we will have is attendees, capitalized A, attendees, and then we will have, okay, I will say, input, feature, output. Okay, input, output, okay. So, input, output. There. Okay, input, output. Input, output, okay. Input and output will be, I would just say collect events, and then we will use the count number there. Alright. Okay, so there was no attribute of that. So the same with that, okay? For the input attendees, maybe something wrong with our attendees. So how do we get the attendees? So oh yeah, we geocoded. We did the geocoding and we get this address locator. Okay, we did address locator. Everything is fine. Attendee regional CSV. Start matching and right click attendee this. Alright, and we use the CSV file created. Status. And now we do not have the statistics. Okay, we will look on it. Alright, so now we have the attendee data. Okay, right here. So let's observe again. So we have attendee. It says we do not have stats. Okay, most recent calls. Let's try to run the tool again. Collect events. Okay, incident, if we do this, okay, let's run it again. Alright, so